Hiya! Today I'm super excited because I've received this Planners Anonymous box and I'm pretty sure this contains my Planner Babe Traveller's Notebook. Okay, so this definitely is the Traveller's Notebook. So I ordered a B6 Traveller's Notebook and then a notepad which fits in the back of the notebook. So this will be the notepad. It's a good thickness and a really nice list notepad. And then this is the dust bag for the Traveller's Notebook. We've just got a little Planners Anonymous there. And then it's all peonies. And here it is, gorgeous gold foiling. So let's have a look at the Traveller's Notebook itself first of all. So on the front we've got Create a Life You Love, and there's gold foiling here and here, and then a gold foiled spine. And then here's the back with the peonies and the gold foiling, and also the pocket, which I'm pretty sure is standard on all of the Planners Anonymous Traveller's Notebooks. Now this Traveller's Notebook, because of the writing on the front, it has a clasp closure rather than the elastic which would cut through the centre. And then here's the inside with the pockets. All of these are deep pockets. We've got the see-through window there, which we can put a card in. And then back here is a pocket, back here, here, and there's card slots here. And we've got 4 elastics on the inside and this lovely heart print in the middle. Oh, I love it. I'm loving it. So let's try this notepad. I'm pretty sure it's been designed to slip into this pocket here. Perfect. And there's a pen loop. I've got Planner Babe currently set up in this Traveller's Notebook. I have a walkthrough video of this one if you're interested to see, but what I might do is transfer some of the inserts across to this setup. But first of all, let's have a look at this. This insert also came with the Traveller's Notebook. Oh, and there's some dashboards too. Oh, that's good. So this is some of the paper from the Planner Babe kit. And there are insert covers for it, so dashboards. So there's one with the Dreamliners, one with the black peonies with a black background with the pink peonies, and then one with the white background with the pink peonies. And then there's a printed insert, which I'm sure, yes it is. So it's the same as the Luxe printable insert, which you can purchase, and it's undated. I'll just do a quick flip of this. I do have a flip through of my printable one in a previous video, but that's okay. We'll just quickly flip through. These are dot grid pages. This is also dot grid. Things to do, finances, and 1 line a day for the 31 days of the month. And then looking back, reflection on the month. So this is a fantastic insert. I love the Luxe inserts for Planners Anonymous. They really are sort of an all-inclusive monthly. Everything you could think of for the month, just in the one insert. So I love that. So the Traveller's Notebook came obviously with the Traveller's Notebook, the insert and the 3 dashboards and the bag, perfect for putting it in your bag. And then there was a separate purchase, which I believe was $8 Australian for the notepad. Now what I'm going to do is just move some of my inserts across into here, just because I can't wait to play with it really. So this first insert that I have is a monthly. It's got some writing in the middle, so I'll just do that off camera. And as I said, my Planner Babe setup of the Traveller's Notebook, I have a previous video of that if you'd like to have a look at that. And then this one here is my weekly insert. I've just updated it for October, so I've got the month of October there. And you can see this is the same insert as the one that just came with the Traveller's Notebook. So I'll just pop that one there. Now this Traveller's Notebook only has 4 strings, and I currently have 6 inserts in this setup. So what I might have to do is add some jump bands, but first of all I'll put 4 inserts in it and see if it will actually fit more. I might just take the pen out of there and pop it in there. I just need to choose which inserts to put in. I definitely want to put my trifold folder, so I've just got washi cards in the front there, and then I have die cuts and stickers. So I might pop this one in maybe right at the back. And I'll just pick one other insert. Right, I'm just going to put this one here, which is a notes insert, which I have in the back of the setup, and I'll just pop that one in there as well. So that's 4 of my inserts in there, and I would think actually there is room for at least 1 jump band to be able to put another insert in there. You can see there's space, I believe, in there for a jump band and another insert, but let's just see first of all if it's going to close. There we go. Okay, I've just spent a few minutes just transferring everything from this 6-string Traveller's Notebook that I had the Planner Babe set up in into this Traveller's Notebook, the official Planner Babe Traveller's Notebook from Planners Anonymous. You can see I've added a jump band and I've managed to fit all 6 inserts into there, which is fantastic. As I love a chunky Traveller's Notebook. So I've got the 6 inserts and also the notepad at the back there. So there's quite a lot in there. The snap still closes, and then here in the pockets, I haven't done a lot at all. I've only had a few minutes. So I've just popped some of the stickers from the Planner Babe kit. This is a card that came in the Blossom kit, Live for Today, a paper clip and a magnetic pin. And then I've done a thorough walkthrough of the setup in another video, so I'll just do a really quick one here. This is all of the months for 2019. It's an Annie Plans Printables insert. I've just put the October printable sticker from Love Cynthia on here. And then this has the weekly insert in it. And I have the Today page marker with a small pocket, which I made just from some paper offcuts from the kit. My pencil board, which I use, which is just a laminated piece of the vellum from the kit. And then that's the back of the weekly dashboard. This was a printable dashboard. And then in the back inside cover, there's just a clip there with some elastic on it to hold a pen. Some more vellum. There's a pocket here with some of the cards and this gorgeous die cut. I just love this Raskog die cut. I'd love to have a cart like that. And then this is just a notes insert. It would say Simply Gilded insert. And then in the back cover, there's this pocket here, which has some stickers and bookmarks in it. And then this is the pocket with the washi cards in it. So this is the trifold folder.
And then there's just die cuts and stickers in here. This is just a vellum that I made with a stamp from the Barista Brunch kit. I've just popped it there in the meantime. And then this is the last insert, which is just notes. And there's a little pocket there to put things in. And then we've got the notepad and the pen from Planner Babe in the back there. So the elastics are a good size to fit the pen, and you can slide the clip down onto the elastic, and that pen is not going anywhere at all, which is fantastic. And I do love this heart print which is inside it. So that was a super quick walkthrough just to show you my setup transferred, and that I can fit all of that in this Traveller's Notebook, which is really fantastic, because I love the Planner Babe kit and I'm totally thrilled to now have the matching Traveller's Notebook. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!